Hi everyone, this is Sherry. I am so excited. I got my swap in the mail today from Maryland. It's like Christmas. Okay, so we'll do this together. Oh my goodies. I think that's probably supposed to be in there. Oh, Marilyn, this is so cute. You said that your skills weren't that great. Well, they are. This is adorable. I absolutely love this. I love this rosette. And I love this. That is such a unique packaging idea. It looks like it's some type of she sews, so this must be some type of I don't know. It's so unique, but it is so cute, and I don't want to tear it up. It looks like it's caught on this. And this is, I think they call them Christmas cracker patterns. Oh my, this is just adorable. And I don't want to open it because I don't want to mess it up. But I'm going to. Oh yes, there are goodies inside. Smarties, how did you know? Oh my goodness, there's other stuff in here. Let me push this over for a second. There's other stuff. Washi. Halloween washi. Marilyn, I love it. I love it. I'm just going to sit it here for a moment and I'll put it all back together in a minute. Look at this. Marilyn, this is really creative. And you do have a natural crafting touch. This is just cute. So it looks like she used like a dynamo or a punch of some type to punch out trick or treat. And then she wrapped it like it's a mummy. So I'm sure that I'm supposed to open it, right? And there's tape on the back. And I'm gonna pick up the googly eye, which I absolutely love and will be using in another one of my crafts. So it's a candy bar and it's Hershey's and it's gorgeous. And I'm not going to unwrap it all because I think the wrapping is just too cute. And I'm gonna tuck his little eye in under there. Look at that. That is really unique. Oh my, that is so adorable. And then again, there is the three-tiered rosette. So she's got some Halloween paper here, orange paper here, and then popped it up with a little pumpkin. That is just too cute. Truly in the spirit of Halloween. And, you know, getting this package, it's like Christmas came early. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I'm sorry, Marilyn, if I am tearing this apart. I'm trying to be gentle, but I'm so excited. And I'm saving all of this because I'll be using all of this and you guys will probably see it in a future project. So let's do some unwrapping. Oh, look at this. Marilyn, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this paper, it's that type of paper that from a different angle, it says something and it says, "Hey, pumpkin." I have never seen this paper before. This is absolutely too cute. Hopefully I'm getting that in the light right so you can see it. And you can see it there. And it says, "Hey, pumpkin." That is adorable. And this envelope is adorable. You did a great job on it. Look at that. So this is the front. Look at this. This is really cute. Marilyn, you do have skills. So I'm going to take it apart now. So I've got a rosette, decorative paper clip, and it looks like it's an enamel rosette. It's really cute. Cute, cute, cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. And the tags. Okay, so let's start with this one. It's all on Halloween themed paper. Meow. And she's got to and from on the back and a little sticker. And then we've got the cute little ghost. Boo. This is adorable. Marilyn, I'm not kidding when I say that. This is really adorable. And yes, you do have paper crafting skills. And I love these bats. And this paper. This is a really nice collection. I don't think I've seen that one. Stickers. Halloween pumpkin stickers. And I'll be using those. And then she embellished it with another one of the labels. It says spooky. And then boo. And hers is also a multi-pocket envelope. So we've got a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here. So this is actually a 4-pocket envelope. Wow. And in the pocket here, she notched it out and she put in boo and then decorated with some stars and some bling. And then she did the, I'm not sure what this fold is called, but it reminds me of a lace shirt that's been opened and folded back. Look at that. That is adorable. And here we have, oops. I'm not sure what that came off of, but it's a bow and it's certainly reusable. It is adorable. And it's got glitter dots all over it. And a little piece of bling on the inside. And then she went around the edges. Looks like either stickles or glitter glue. And it's like a holographic glitter. That is really cute. And then here's my wand, my rosette wand. It says boo, and it's got the ghost. And then it's got this unique little black glitter paper. Probably doesn't show up well on camera, but it is all... And the kitty cat, the witch's cat on the back. This is adorable, adorable. And the Halloween straw and some ribbon. Marilyn, you did a great job. Okay, and then we have a pom-pom pencil. Oh, this is adorable. This is really cute. See? Oh, this is nice. Ribbons, Halloween themed ribbons. So hopefully next year we will do another Halloween swap in the group. And now I have a lot more embellishments to actually use. That is really nice. Thank you. Oh, look at this. And she made it in multi-tiers. I'm not sure. This is like, I don't even know what the name of this is. I've heard people say what it is. It's like a feathery type yarn, but this is really useful in a lot of the projects that I do. So it's not just for Halloween either. So I'll be using this in other projects. Oh my. And this is cording. It's the whole Halloween kit. And all of these embellishments. Oh my, it's the pumpkins. Thank you, Marilyn. Those are adorable. Guys, I'm telling you, you're going to see all of this stuff in some of my future projects. And then I have a notebook with a pumpkin. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but she put a candy cane in. Isn't that, not a candy corn. Isn't that adorable? And it's a nice little notepad that she covered. And all of it matches. Look at that. All the colors go together. Okay, then I'll flip it over. Happy Halloween. Oh, it's sequins. Halloween sequins. I love it. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys can see all of this. And this folder is really cute. This design is really cute. Look at that. This is highly adaptable for a lot of different projects. I love it, Marilyn. You are creative. I'm going to tuck that back in there because I don't want to lose that. And then it looks like this might be some more washi on a skeleton. I'm going to call it a bookmark because she laminated it. And it says Happy Halloween. It's adorable. It is absolutely adorable. And then we have a boo. And yet another pocket on the back. Okay, I'm loving this. Oh my gosh. And this is more of that paper that she used here. And I hope I'm getting this because it says, Hey Pumpkin, depending on the way that you're holding it. And the ghosts appear or disappear depending on how you turn it. And then a ghost even appears in the window. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Remember that? This is really, look at this. Marilyn, you did an excellent job. This is terrific. Absolutely terrific. I love this. I love all of it. Best Witches. And it's got the, I'm calling it holographic. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but when you move it, different things show up. I don't know where you found this paper. I think you should, when I post this, I think you should let the group know where you found this because this is really unique. Look at that. And these are cut aparts. And she she added a spider and the spider web. And then she put a little label here that lets me know that it's cut aparts. So I'm going to pull them out. Oh, it's full of stuff in here. I don't think I'm getting it all. I'm not. Marilyn, you did yourself proud. This is wonderful. There is a spider web in there that I can't get right now, and I don't want to damage anything, so I'm going to leave it in there. But we've got a clothespin that's got the witch's feet on it. Looks like washi. That is so cute. And then a spider web and some of the labels. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It says Posh Paper Lady. How cute is that? I hope you guys can see that. Look at that. Posh Paper Lady. That is too cute. And Halloween and Trick or Treat. There's a black cat, ghosts and goblins, caution, danger, scaredy cat, trick or treat, happy Halloween, trick or treat. There's Boo, a ghost, hang around for a spell. That's cute. The spiders, more ghost. These cutouts are fabulous. Oh, there's some stuff. Happy. Oh, she sent a message. Oh, I get it. It's like a puzzle. Happy Halloween. I thought I saw a V. Happy Halloween, Posh Paper Lady, Trick or Treat, Boo. Marilyn, that is so creative. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just way more than I was expecting. And I love this. It's a shaker card. Oh, that is too cute. And then she's got the double D for DS Designs. And then there's a card. It says, "Hi Sherry, hope all is well. This is my very first loaded envelope swap. So I hope you like it and approve. Thank you in advance. Can't wait to get your swap." I don't like it. I love it. I love it. I mean, I can tell that you put your heart and effort into this, and it is just absolutely, it's just blowing me away. This was my first swap too, and I am just so grateful for what you did here. I mean, you really hooked me up, and your design is gorgeous. The paper choice is excellent. The creativity, phenomenal. I'm not just saying this. This is just, wow. I am just so pleased. Again, this is from Marilyn at Marilyn DS Designs. Guys, look at this. I am going to take pictures and post it on the group page. And I hope that you will give her some wonderful feedback because she did an excellent job. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.